Unraveling the meanings of fist fight. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, movies, and books. Fist fight. It's a term you might have heard before, but do you know exactly what it means and how to use it? Stick around as we unpack everything about this expressive phrase. The term fist fight refers to a physical altercation between two or more people where they primarily use their fists to punch each other. Unlike a structured boxing match, a fist fight is usually an impromptu and unorganized combat that can break out anywhere, from schoolyards to barrooms. It's important to note that fistfights are often viewed negatively and can have legal consequences. While the basic definition of a fist fight is straightforward, there are nuances that are worth understanding. A fist fight can be a result of anger, self-defense, or even social rituals among certain groups. In literature and film, fist fights can symbolize honor, desperation, or a rite of passage. Understanding these nuances can help you comprehend the context in which the phrase is used. Now, let's see how to use fist fight in a sentence. Two students got into a fist fight over a misunderstanding at school. The old Western movie featured a classic saloon fist fight. He's not one to back down from a fist fight when he feels he's been wronged. Using the phrase in various contexts can help solidify your understanding of its meaning and use. In many cultures, fistfights have been glorified in tales of heroism and machismo. However, in today's society, they are largely discouraged and seen as primitive and dangerous behaviors. The term can also be used metaphorically, describing a tough, no-holds-barred argument, as in, they got into a real fist fight in the meeting today. I hope this exploration of fist fight adds a new layer to your understanding of English phrases. Remember, while it's important to know the meaning, it's equally important to understand the context in which such terms are used. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you continue your language learning journey in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.